Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram stories on your laptop or desktop. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. All right. Now in here, just type in Instagram.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. Okay. Now, once it loads, go ahead and right click on a blank space right here on your screen. Right click. And go to the very bottom option. Right here, we have inspect. Just click on it. Okay. And once done, you should be able to see these tabs. Okay. Right here at the very top. Just go ahead and click on this device icon. All right. Click on it. And as you can see, we are now using the phone version. Now go ahead over to dimensions right here and click on the drop down and select a specific phone UI. All right. Or user interface. Now, for example, I'm going to use Galaxy S8 right here. So I'm just going to refresh the page like so. All right, if you don't know how to refresh your page, you'll have that option in here, or on your keyboard, just press the F5 key. Okay. And as you can see here, we now have the Your Story button. Just click on it. All right. Now from here, we'll be able to select a photo from our computer. If you want to, you can upload a video as well. Okay. For example, I'm just going to select this picture. Okay. And here there will be a pop-up. Just click on allow if you want to, as that's meant for location permission. And here, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some stickers and edit this all you want. Now for this example, I'm just going to leave it as is and click on add to your story. All right. It says here uploading, just wait for it. Again, go ahead and refresh the page. Wait for the Instagram app to load. Then go ahead over to your profile to check it out. Right here, as you can see, when I tap on your profile right here, we have this ring, which means that we have uploaded a story. Okay, just tap on it. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.